As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at portable grills, and I've narrowed it down to the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Cuisinart CGG-180. What do you think?
Oh, interesting. Both are solid choices, but there are some key differences. The Charbroil has a slightly bigger cooking area, 200 square inches, versus Cuisinart's 150.
Okay, that's a good start. Is that a big difference in practice, do you think?
It depends on how much you're grilling at once. If you're regularly cooking for more than a few people, that extra 50 square inches on the Charbroil could be useful. The Cuisinart is still good for about 8 burgers, though.
Got it. And what about the heat output?
The Charbroil Grill2Go X200 boasts 9,500 BTUs, while the Cuisinart CGG-180 has 5,500 BTUs.
So the Charbroil gets hotter faster?
Potentially yes, but the Charbroil uses TRU-Infrared cooking, which is designed to distribute heat evenly and prevent flare-ups, and some people feel it gets too hot. Some reviewers felt that it was difficult to control the heat. The Cuisinart might be easier to manage temp-wise.
Good point. Portability is important to me. How do they compare there?
The Cuisinart is slightly lighter at 18.8 pounds compared to the Charbroil's 20 pounds, but the real difference is the VersaStand. It has integrated telescoping legs, so you can use it as a tabletop or freestanding grill. The Charbroil is strictly a tabletop model.
Oh, that VersaStand sounds really handy. Anything else I should consider?
The Cuisinart's grates are dishwasher safe, which is a nice convenience. The Charbroil has a temperature gauge on the lid, which the Cuisinart lacks. And, the Charbroil has stainless steel grates.
Okay, good to know. What about price?
The Cuisinart is a little cheaper, around $139, while the Charbroil is around $147.
So the Cuisinart seems like a good all-arounder, especially with the VersaStand. But if I really need that extra cooking space and don't mind the heat management, the Charbroil could be the way to go.
Exactly. It really comes down to your priorities and how you plan to use it.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.